New York! Crazy! Hello! If we've never met before, my name is Grace. Welcome to my channel. We are actually at the airport right now because I'm en route to New York City! I am more excited than usual because this is the first time in a long time that my Lago and I are traveling without children. That's how we just got through security in under 5 minutes. Tell me, how did that happen? Nobody was licking the floor, nobody was running around, and I was not stopped by the TSA because I was not carrying applesauce. Crazy. So we have about like another hour left before we board, and I'm just getting my steps in because we're going to New York City. I figured, why not challenge ourselves with 20,000 steps today, which is a big challenge. Usually I would say on average I aim for like 10 to 12,000 steps a day, but it's New York City. Like, it's New York City. We're gonna be going everywhere. And we're gonna be eating a lot. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me to see everything we see and everything we eat. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Let me take a wild guess. If you clicked on this video, you are likely headed to New York City, but you probably don't have much time to spend there. For me, I'm only staying in New York for 2 nights because it's a short anniversary trip my husband and I are gifting one another. Because we've got kids at home and my parents can only handle them for so long. But you know what? New York is the perfect place for this type of itinerary, and I can't wait to take you along.
We made it! Hello, New York! Just got out of the airport and had to put my jacket on because it's actually so cold here. But we are looking for our buses now to get to Grand Central. And actually we found out that you don't need a Metro card now to get around New York. You can just use your credit card and swipe on and swipe off, which is so much more convenient. So hopefully that stands true. And we're gonna try it out on the bus today. Our bus is here.
Easy shuttle ride from the airport, and now we are looking for the subway. The credit card worked. I don't know if you can hear that, but this is such a romantic welcome to New York City.
You made it! Woo-hoo! Welcome to New York.
Life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness.
First off, we are on a mission to find some bagels, and I found this place called Bagels to Sandwich, but they close in like 30 minutes, so we gotta hurry. We found it, Bagels to Sandwich.
Oh, the rainbow. Dude, that is loaded. This is what you come to New York for.
Gosh, so many bagels. Oh my gosh, maple pecan bacon, that sounds so good. This one's mixed with lox. Dude, they have so many. Ah, so cute. Birthday cake. Garlic and herb. Ooh, this one sounds really good.
Also serving some pastries, croissants, oh, brookies, and then some, dang, colorful cookies.
Thanks so much. We got it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Dang. Hey, we brought it to eat out here because the bagel place was closed, but we still got the goods. We got a rainbow. Ah, she's so cute.
Oh, I can tell that it's like really crunchy on the outside.
Dang. Cheers. Look at that. It's really crispy on the outside and really chewy on the inside. Really good spread to bagel ratio. The spread, I think, is better than the bagel. I've always wanted a rainbow bagel.
This color.
I know, but it's like classic New York rainbow bagel. Making our way to the Chelsea market for some very fresh noodles. We had it last time we were in New York. Their dana noodles are to die for. But we're getting there through the highline. It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh, look at this vessel. What the?
Gosh, I've always seen her all over the internet. I've never seen her in person.
What the heck is that? Is that a giant pigeon? Okay, I think we're almost at the
Chelsea market. Now we're looking for the store of very fresh noodles.
Found it! Okay, let's take a look at the menu.
Oh, they have liang fan.
The smashed cucumbers, please. That's it.
I'm glad the line is not as long as the last time we were here. Oh my gosh, look at all that hot oil.
He's just slapping the noodles in front of us. Making the noodles live right now. So while you eat, you get to watch them make their noodles.
Oh my, how did he do that? It's already here. We got the smashed cucumbers and the super spicy tingling dadamian.
Oh, okay. Wow.
It was up here. It was this close.
Oh, I see. Okay, here's the dandamian. I think we should mix it first.
Oh, my mouth is watering. I can smell the spice.
It's so chewy. There's definitely the numbing spicy that hits a little later. It's not too spicy. I don't think it's too spicy. Yeah.
After all the hot oil, it's not too
Yeah,
spicy.
it's just like numbing. It's like in the back.
Yeah. It's like the northern.
But then when you're eating it, it's not too spicy.
Now you're tempting me.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Man, it still slaps after all these years.
It's really starting to get hot. I don't know if we can finish this.
I love watching them cook. It's honestly free entertainment while we eat. Oh, here he goes again. Oh, wow, I love it when he does that. By the way, if you are allergic to peanuts, you probably shouldn't come to this place. Y'all, we just stumbled upon this ice cream shop next door. It's apparently made with sesame. It's called Cedar Mill, and they serve sesame, soft serve, and helva. I've never heard of helva.
Oh, that's tahini?
Oh, wait, no, that's halva. Halva crumble.
Oh, that's good. So interesting. Sesame ice cream. Soft serve made with sesame. My daughter will have an allergic reaction, but I love it. It's so creamy, super rich, and like not too sweet because there's that nuttiness of the sesame. Pairs so well with the halva. I've never had halva before. Oh, this is so soft. I like it a lot. I ended up going back to get a whole block of halva because I like this so much. But this one's the pistachio one. It's so good. It's like a nougat, but not as sticky and creamier and a little bit more texture. That's the perfect little sweet treat after such a salty dinner.
Okay, we just left the Chelsea Market, and this thing is literally across the street. Apparently, it's called the Little Island. It's so romantic here. It's starting to get dark, but the night lights makes it even prettier.
Of the night with a little bit of room service because I really need the fibers. So we 100% did achieve our 20K steps today. Actually exceeded it. Really proud. Very successful.
We're on our way to the tramway now, which is apparently where you can take like a cable car and see a bunch of beautiful sceneries from the top and get to the Roosevelt Island. Here's the station. It's the Roosevelt Tramway. Apparently it works just like any other subway station. Oh, perfect. There's one waiting for us already. Wait, I'm shocked this only costs like $3.
Yeah.
Is this the Brooklyn Bridge? Oh, wait, no, I don't think this is the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh my gosh.
Let's go to the other side. Wow.
That was a fun little attraction, but now we're down to business and in search for some matcha. Okay, made it to Serat. Pretty much just serve matcha.
So the matcha that Lucas wanted was out. Very disappointing. He ended up getting the one that was even higher grade than that. So his matcha latte turned out to be like $17. I have a feeling it's going to be worth it though. It looks really legit.
Does your hand get tired? Don't ask what that is. I just drink the matcha. Look at that green. Oh yeah. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop, 4 scoop, 5 scoop. Oh my goodness. For the price and the weight, I give it like a 7.5 out of 10 because we waited for so long and it was so expensive. But it definitely is like really high quality matcha. The smoothest matcha I've ever tasted. I just like one and done. I wouldn't go back again. Guys, we stumbled upon a Dominique ansel. I mean, look at that. I had to come in, you know?
Finish your quiche.
Quiche,
yeah.
Love that quiche also. What about a cronut today? We're missing a cronut. It's a very good flavor.
This is the spinach gruyere quiche. That was so bouncy. Here's the egg sandwich. Yeah, but there's like... How do they do that? So soft.
This one is the ube Mont Blanc.
She a cutie. Oh, there's something inside. Cheers! Just looking around, everyone and their mother has ordered the same thing.
It is now 6 o'clock and we just made it to Flushing, New York for dinner. I'm so excited to be here. I've been waiting to get here because the second you walk out of the subway station, it feels like you've been transported to a different country. I see Chinese signs everywhere and people are talking in Chinese. And the food here is apparently the best and most authentic Chinese food you can get in New York. Our first stop is Joe's Steam Rice Roll.
Dude, that was so fast. Look at them steaming those rice rolls. He's like a master at this. It's like the chongfen at dim sums, but better. Adding the sweet soy sauce.
I want to say this beats any dim sum chongfens I've ever had. That rice, seriously silky. That was so good. It might be the best thing I've had here in New York on this trip. I'm definitely going back. Every time I come back, I'm gonna go back there. Oh, it was so good.
Now on to a second dinner at Shanghai Garden, and we're here for their Peking duck. So you can get just these pre-made for you. One piece is only $2.50, and if you get half, it's $31. It's here.
Only $2.50. I really like the ratio of the fat to the meat. Sometimes when you have too much fat, nothing cuts through it. I think the skin could be crispier.
Guys, we just got this for free for ordering 2 of those Peking duck buns.
That is insanity. It's a dine-in promotion. If you dine in, you get this entire thing for free.
Look at that juice.
I think this might be jiuniang.
This is the free dessert that comes with when they give you your check.
It's like some type of hot sweet soup. Oh my god, it is jiuniang. That was the other thing I wanted to order. That glutinous rice bowl. So chewy, it like melts in your mouth. Ooh, this is good.
Ending the night with some boba, of course. This spot is called Teapulse. And I think I'm going to wrap up the video here because we're leaving early tomorrow morning. In case anyone's wondering, yes, we did hit our step goals today as well, which was really motivational for me because we ended up running into the New York City Marathon the next morning, even though it almost made us late to the airport. I was super inspired. Like, if I could walk 20,000 steps a day, I could probably run a marathon, right? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some good recs, and I hope you enjoy New York City as much as I did. Bye. Remember to subscribe.